Hi, I'm Shivani. Welcome back. Are you listening? Can you hear me? Oh, that was not meant for you. Well, these are the two sentences that you keep hearing all the time. They're so very common, and you might have also used them a number of times. But why am I using these two sentences now? That's because the topic for today is the difference between listen and hear. And I've used these two words in those two sentences. Are you listening? Can you hear me? Now, what's the difference? Is there any difference? For both, we need our ears. Then, where is the difference? Okay, just sit quietly and listen to the sounds around you. Can you hear anything? Yes, you can. You may hear the sound of the traffic. You may hear the sound of people talking or children playing. There may be a number of sounds. It depends where you are at the moment. Those sounds were there, but you didn't pay attention to them before. But when I told you to listen to them, when you paid attention, you became aware of them. Of course, you were aware that there were sounds around you, but you did not distinguish each and every sound. Now, that is the difference. I think you might have guessed what the difference is. Hearing is the ability to perceive sound by our ears. So there may be a number of sounds happening around you, and your ears keep perceiving them. Those sounds keep coming into your ears and you hear them. But when you listen to something, you focus on it. You make a conscious effort. So you listen to each and everything. That is listening. But hearing is when you don't make any effort and the sound falls on your ears. It comes into your ears. That is hearing. And what about their use? When we are using listen, it's most of the times followed by the preposition to. You listen to music, you listen to your teacher's lecture, you listen to the rain falling. You might hear the rain falling, but when you are making a conscious effort, you are listening to it. So that's the difference between the two. And don't forget to use the preposition to after listen. Please listen to me. But when I order or when I tell you to listen carefully, I don't use to because it's not followed by an object. That's why I said listen carefully. When I say listen to me is the object and I've used the preposition to. So be careful when you are using the word listen. I think that's all for today. Keep practicing and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, those who are new and those who have not yet subscribed. Please subscribe to my channel, give it a like if you have liked the video and share it with your friends. See you soon. Bye.